Welcome to our guide on Ashes of War in Elden Ring. These powerful tools can significantly enhance your combat skills and add unique flair to your gameplay. Ashes of War come in different types, each offering unique weapon affinities and skills. Let's explore these options to see what fits your playstyle. Equipping Ashes of War is straightforward. Follow these steps. Open your inventory, select your weapon, and choose the Ashes of War you want to apply. Exploring the vast world of Elden Ring is essential to find Ashes of War. Several locations hold these treasures, hidden or guarded by fearsome foes. Upgrading your Ashes of War can greatly enhance their effects. Remember, you'll need specific crafting materials and techniques for optimal upgrades. Finding the perfect Ashes of War involves combining them with your unique playstyle. We'll share tips on utilizing these ashes for maximum effectiveness. Not every weapon can accommodate any Ashes of War. Let's discuss which weapons work best with which ashes for seamless integration. The strategies for using Ashes of War can differ vastly between PvE and PvP. We'll break down key tactics for both environments. We've gathered some of the most frequently asked questions regarding Ashes of War, clearing up common misconceptions to help you in your journey. In conclusion, mastering Ashes of War can maximize your combat potential in Elden Ring. Equip them wisely and watch your enemies fall.